Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? I'm Dara, aka Insecurelynatural. For those that are new here, if you've been here already, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my moisture slash daytime, morning slash nighttime routine. So I've been locked for 3 months. I started my locks on my own and I've been caring for my locks all by myself. So I've made my own routine for now, because you know locks are ever changing. And so this is what has been working for me so far. It's morning time and I'm getting ready to go out the door, so I'm going to show you guys what I do to refresh my locks in the morning, and then I will come back to y'all tonight with my nighttime routine. But first, I need you to like this video because it helps my channel out so much. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and the notification bell so that you're notified every single time your girl posts a video. With that being said, let's get into this morning routine. So let's take the scarf off. That's the very first thing I do. If you guys want to see or want to know how I wrap my hair at night or what I use, then stay tuned, because tonight we will go over all of that. But this morning, we're taking it off and we're going to go about our day, okay? So let's take this scarf off, and this is what we're working with. Usually it looks like this when it first comes out. It's just slick back, it's a little sleepy, you know what I'm saying? My twists aren't awake. With our twist slash locks, we on the way. Y'all be tuned for the update, because we got some things changing, okay? When I first wake up, my locks look like this. They're kind of deflated and they're just pushed back because they've been tied down all night. So the very first thing that I do is I just kind of play with it and see like what's going on, feel my scalp, feel my hair to see if it's dry. My little baby hair is up here, so I just kind of readjust everything. It's looking good. My hair is looking good. It's actually feeling good. I thought it was gonna be super dry. I look at my scalp, try to assess my scalp, because I have really bad dandruff. So I have 2 different options that I do depending on how my hair is feeling. So if my hair is feeling really dry, I'll use my spray bottle that has water and oil in it. I use hemp oil, a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil, and I also put some Mael's mint rosemary oil. I can't remember if I'm saying it right. If I'm not, I will put it somewhere here. But that is what's in here. I use a couple of drops of everything, and then I just shake it up. And this is going to lock in the moisture. Right now, y'all, honestly, my hair is not feeling dry, so I'm not gonna pick this up just yet. When my hair feels moisturized, sometimes like today, really, I could just fluff it, like kind of tease it to how I want it to lay and go. But a lot of times I'll go ahead and just refresh it with just some plain old water. This is purified water. I have purified water in the other bottle also. And I just spray it just so it can have a head start on the day. So basically I just spray my whole head. When I have a fresh retwist, I don't hit my scalp. So I just did this retwist about a week ago, and it's so because I've been working out and stuff, but I really try to preserve it as long as possible. So I'm not going to hit my scalp. I'm only going to take this water and hit my ends. So basically what I do is I just hold a section away from the retwist and I just spray the locks. So in the first couple of months, I was wetting my hair all the time, like 24/7. I find that in the beginning stages, like especially when my hair hadn't begun to lock at all, I noticed that me overly spraying created unraveling. So even though I don't have as much unraveling as I did then, even now I still kind of go easy on the water. I try not to spray too much, but sometimes I do get carried away. So right now it's with my ends. I love my curly ends at this stage, y'all. Yeah, that's all I basically do in the mornings. I kind of tease my hair because I like my hair to come out in the front. If you want at this step, you can go ahead and do your baby hairs. But here lately, I haven't been. I feel like just me brushing them down like this just gives me the natural look. Like I feel like the ungelled baby hairs kind of go with my locks. So sometimes I do my edges, sometimes I don't. Today I'm not. I'm gonna just kind of brush them down. Sometimes I hit my edges with a little water just to make sure they're getting nourished. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just going about my day, like I said, and then I will holler at you guys tonight, aka see you in a couple seconds. For y'all, it's nighttime. For y'all, it was just a second away. For me, it was all day, okay? And now it's time to put these beautiful locks away for the night. So I just run my fingers through my hair once again, just like I did this morning, just to check for dryness and dandruff and all that. See if I have anything stuck in my locks, like lint, straight hairs, you know, things like that. And I noticed that my scalp is looking a little dry. Not really, really dry, but yeah, it's a little dry. I need a little something, okay? So I usually apply my oil on my hair at night because usually the oils that I use are pretty thick, and it's summertime for one, and I just don't want to have thick oils on my hair going out in the fresh sunlight. It's not gonna do nothing but end up on my face. So I don't apply oil to the actual locks. I only apply oil to my scalp because I feel like oil buildup can happen. If ever I feel like I need a little bit more moisture, or I feel like I need to lock in a little bit more moisture, then I will spray my hair with the water and oil mixture. But I never add straight up oils to my locks, only my scalp. Now when I retwist my hair, it's a different story, but we're not doing a retwist video today. So we applying the oil to the scalp. Okay, so the oil that I'm using today, because I use various oils depending on what I feel like my scalp needs at the time. Since I had a really bad flare up with like scales and stuff on my scalp, like it was a really bad job. I was gonna record it, but I was just in a panic. I didn't want the dandruff to get stuck in the locks, okay? But it was really bad. And so when I have really bad flare-ups like that, I like to go in with an oil that is really good for dandruff and inflammation. One of my faves, one of my staples, it's been a staple for me since I've been a Locs Natural, and it's the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care. And this has olive and tea tree oil in it, but it also has salicylic acid, and salicylic acid is really good at helping to loosen and remove those scales and stubborn dandruff, because I get those real big dandruff balls. So this has been a lifesaver from almost day one. It already comes with a twist cap, so it's easy application to the scalp. You can put it on your hair, I believe, but I use it for my scalp specifically. I'm usually not meticulous about applying oil to my parts. I just kind of put it in different spots and then massage it in with my fingers.
Yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the side.
So every once in a while, I will put oil directly like on my edges, all around my hairline. I will go in with my Jamaican black castor oil mix. I did mix these oils, and I use these oils when I do my retwist, but I also use these on my hairline and for my edges. I want to always make sure my edges stay. I want to make sure they stay healthy. Jamaican black castor oil just helps the growth, honey. It makes them nice and thick. So I apply this oil sometimes whenever I just feel like my edges may need a little extra attention. Like if I've been doing my edges too much, over excessive manipulation of my edges, then I will go in with this oil. So this is a mixture of Jamaican black castor oil. I have some hemp seed oil with some neem oil, and I also have some of the Mayel rosemary and mint oil in this bottle. And like I said, usually if my hair is feeling really dry, I will go in with an oil and water mix for the night. I will spray my hair, let it air dry because you don't want to tie it up wet. Just a nice little mist, slightly damp. Let it air dry a little bit and then tie your hair down. But we're skipping that tonight. Your girl is tired and my locks feel pretty moisturized. So yeah, we about to tie this up, okay? So I like to tie my hair down with one of these big old square scarves. I just triangle it and I put it on my head. Bonnets are cool, but I find that bonnets kind of give me married roots, married hair period, because it's just loose under that bonnet while you sleep. I find that this works best. It's kind of like a lock sock, basically. And I just tie my hair down. If any of y'all don't know how to tie a hair scarf, comment down below and I got y'all. I will teach y'all how I tie my scarves to where they stay on all night long. And it's tied up, y'all. And that's it. I'm about to hop in the shower and then I'm going to bed. If you haven't already, hit that like button for your girl, okay? Because it helps my channel out so much. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every single time your girl posts a new video, okay? And with that being said, y'all, I am out. Literally going to bed, okay? Deuces. See you guys on the next one. Good night.